So today we're going to show you guys how to properly space your plants in your landscapes. First thing you're going to want to do is look at your tubs. These ones actually don't say it, but you can look it up online and see how wide and tall your plants are going to get. This significantly changes where you're going to plant your plant. In this case, our client wanted kind of a more filled in look on top of their wall. These get anywhere from 4 to 5 feet at their biggest stage. So we planted them so they have a nice 2 feet on each side so they have enough room to grow. For something like a privacy barrier, like all these hop seeds are, you're going to want them as close together as you can get them without them being too close together where they die off and fight for sunlight and stuff like that. So we have all these roughly around like 3 feet apart. So when they grow, they'll get nice and big and they're not going to interfere with each other and create a nice privacy hedge. All right, so we talked about having plants too close and what that does. You also don't want your plants too far away. So right in here, this is a perfect example of like a perfectly spaced plant. They're not too far away where there's awkward gaps, but they're also spaced in a way that they kind of give a unique shape and they let all these grow perfectly. So the last point that we want to make on plant spacing is you don't want your plants or shrubs to be overhanging on any of your sidewalks or driveways. So when you're planting something like this where it's going to get about 2 to 3 feet, maybe 3 to 4 feet wide, you want to make sure it's in a spot where when it gets to its full length that it is right at the edge of your driveway, so you don't have to keep trimming your shrubs, so you don't either run your vehicle into it or walk into it if it's a sidewalk. So yeah, those are the basic points of plant spacing, and I hope this video could help you guys out.